name is Frank Barr. I'm with the Focus on Energy program, and everybody at Focus on Energy wants to thank you all for being here today. And so, you know, the Energy Efficiency Excellence Awards, each year for the past 6 years, we have recognized business and residential customers, as well as trade ally contractors, such as Anderson Electric Service, not only for their partnership with Focus on Energy, but also for their exceptional efforts in the areas of energy efficiency and renewable energy. And this year, Anderson Electric Service is one of only 12 nominees out of more than 50 applications, and one of only 2 trade ally contractors that were chosen to receive a 2021 Energy Efficiency Excellence Award. So with us here today to recognize this achievement is State Senator Kathy Bernier, and then State Representative Donna Rosar, and then we have with Focus on Energy Advisor Kevin Weiler, and then we have Mark Anderson along with his son Jesse, and then Kim Anderson Electric Service. And so as you might know, Focus on Energy is celebrating 20 years of partnering with more than 100 Wisconsin electric and natural gas utilities, such as Clark Electric Cooperative, Xcel Energy, We Energies, and Marshfield Utilities. We serve this rural area of Wisconsin to bring energy efficiency and renewable energy solutions to utility customers statewide. And as successful as the Focus on Energy has been, you know, over those 20 years, none of it could happen, and I mean this, none of this could happen without collaboration with and support of trade allies like Anderson Electric Services. We really appreciate that Mark sees the value that partnering with Focus on Energy brings to his business and to his customers as well.
I'd like to present this 2021 Energy Efficiency Excellence Award to Anderson Electric, to you and your team. You guys do a great job promoting Focus on Energy to the agriculture customers, the business customers, the residential, schools and government. No customer is too small for Focus on Energy too. You guys put a lot of time and effort into the solution, and thank you for everything you do with Focus on Energy. Thank you.
It's nice to see partnerships that you can leverage resources, and the bottom line, you help out the agricultural community, which is so important to the 23rd Senate District. So congratulations, Mark, and your family for all that you do for your community and the agricultural community as well.
Energy efficiency, I think, is the wave of the future, so it's nice to see somebody partner with somebody that really has a focus on energy efficiency and renewable energy. So thank you for what you do for residential and agricultural customers in the 69th Assembly District, and wishes for every future success.
We appreciate Focus. We appreciate their help in administering the program and working with us. And I'd just like to say too that if there's other contractors out there that have thought it was too cumbersome, they didn't have the time to mess with Focus, you're making a big mistake. You know, it just makes your relationships with your customers more solid when you're looking after them in all aspects of their business. And when you can find these energy efficient products and the incentives that go along with it, you're just partnering better with your customer, and it just makes that business relationship stronger. And we've had a good egg following for a long time. We're proud of the service the egg industry, and as well as commercial and residential and industrial, but egg is our bread and butter, and we appreciate the American farmer, and we appreciate the new energy efficient products that have come available the last 20 years, and it's a totally different environment than it was 20 years ago. So appreciate it being recognized very much, and we'll keep doing it, and as long as you're got stuff available for our customers.